message is being transmitted by the request of the United States government. At 1 p.m. daylight time, David is running around the Illinois and rob a bank and crash the cars. If you have an emergency about this, call all the police departments in Illinois. Stay tuned to news and radio.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of the United States government. David has turned into Error 3. If you see him, get away from it because he will kill you. The file has given to government, and the David Error 3 will kill 100 of people. Do not investigate voices or sounds. We now transmit it to Ben Drowned. Please stand by.
Hello, I'm Ben Drowned, and I came here to find David Error 3. And the United States government is speaking all channels, and the David Error 3 is attacking the Illinois. If we don't worry about the emergency alert system, David Error 3 will destroy the Illinois. I had enough of David Error 3 because he keeps on destroying the city in Illinois. If we can't stop David Error 3, he will attack the United States and the Illinois. I'm making the Rainbow Sword to fight David Error 3. Look, we can't let the Illinois to be destroyed. Don't worry. I will save the Illinois and fight him. Returning to emergency alert system.
That was the message from Ben Drowned. The emergency action notification has been issued for Illinois at 10/34/2019. Stay tuned to more updates and news.
The following message is being transmitted of the request by the United States government. At 5:34 p.m. daylight time, David Error has attacked the Illinois and killed 10 people in his sight. And the child has killed by the David Error 3. This is the Amber Alert, the person who reported it. It is believed that the David Error 3 has killed the child in forest. Please get food, water, battery-powered radio, and lock inside your basement. Stay tuned to more updates and news.
Hello, and this is your Tracy here. Today David Error 3 is about to attack the United States and Texas and New Mexico. Ben Drowned, what did you have to say to ABC News?
Well, David Error 3 is attacking the Illinois and the United States and Texas and New Mexico and Canada. Look, we are about to fight David Error 3, and I made the Rainbow Sword. The Rainbow Sword is powerful than David Error 3. I'm going to drown David Error 3. Goodbye.
Okay, we need to fight David Error 3. If don't worry about the United States, and the United States will be destroyed. If you are watching this news, please stay in basement and do not get out yet. Good luck and be careful.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of the United States government. David Error 3 is attacking the United States and Texas and New Mexico and Canada. Stay in basement and do not get out yet. This is not a test. David Error 3 has attacked the Illinois. It's believed that the ABC News is going to be destroyed by David Error 3 soon. Please stand by for the emergency broadcast system. Stay tuned to ABC News.
The following message is being transmitted at request of the United States government. The David Air 3 is destroying the power lines. If you have an emergency about this.
Do you want to vote by me? Ha, 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 ha. That's right. David Air 3 is here. Time to kill you with that knife.
The following message is being transmitted at request of the United States government. The David Air 3 has killed 20 people in New Mexico. Carry out the following broadcast on screen.
All message clear, but you can get out your basement and unlock all doors. And the bent round killed David Air 3. The builders will fix the damages in the United States. Goodbye.